Hi guys, this is DIY Sample 2024 competition. We are from SMK Tasek-UTARA. My group name is League of Tasek. So myself is Kaushikam Rajaram and my group consultant is Iman Akil, Arya Iskandar and Christina Alicia. So today we are gonna presenting our idea, which is self-sorting recycling bin.
Recycling has become something very important in every school for the benefits of our world. But as you can see in this picture, most students do not take this issue seriously. In the first picture, you can see that the student is throwing paper in a metal bin. This is because students often rush from one class to another, making them do not bother to put the recyclables in the correct bin.
In the second picture, the student is throwing something recyclable thing in the trash bin. He doesn't even bother to recycle it. This is the main reason why we came up with this idea.
So this is a machine that can separate recyclables by itself. How exactly? It starts here. There will be a piece right about here that is L-shaped, and it's also where the sensors are placed. There will be a capacitive sensor and an inductive sensor. The capacitive sensor will help us sense paper and plastic, while the inductive sensor will help us sense metal. So first, we start with putting an item here, for example, a plastic bottle. So the sensor will sense it as plastic, and this pipe will move according to what the sensor senses. And this thing will then move forward, causing the item to fall into the pipe and straight into its rightful bin. This here is a picture of what the machine would probably look like from the outside.
For the benefits, this machine can help students save time because students don't have to separate the recyclables by themselves. The machine will do it for them. And then it can also make sure that recyclables go into the right bin. So imagine how great it would be if this machine is put in each class. It could benefit the students and the teachers greatly.
So now I will be explaining about the cost of our DIY project. The sensor will be quite expensive, around 250 ringgit. But otherwise all prices are reasonable. So total amount we're gonna spend is 350 above. So that's all from us. Thank you so much.